In the manufacturing industry, a bar feeder is a service that is used to automate the process of feeding raw materials into a machine. This service is particularly useful in industries that require the use of long, cylindrical materials such as metal bars, tubes, or pipes. The bar feeder is designed to hold and feed these materials into the machine, allowing for a continuous and efficient production process. The bar feeder service is typically used in industries such as automotive, aerospace, and construction, where precision and speed are critical factors. By automating the feeding process, manufacturers can reduce the risk of errors and increase the speed of production. This service also allows for the use of larger and heavier materials, which would be difficult to handle manually. Berkness Company is a manufacturing company that specializes in the production of custom machinery and automation solutions. As a leader in the industry, Berkness Company offers a wide range of services, including bar feeder solutions. With years of experience and expertise, the company has developed innovative solutions that are tailored to the specific needs of each client. Berkness Company understands the importance of precision and efficiency in the manufacturing industry, and their bar feeder solutions are designed to meet these needs. By using state-of-the-art technology and advanced engineering techniques, the company is able to provide reliable and efficient bar feeder solutions that can be customized to meet the unique needs of each client. If you are interested in learning more about Berkness Company's bar feeder solutions, you can visit the Contact Us page on their website. Here, you can fill out a form to request more information or schedule a consultation with one of their experts. With their commitment to quality and customer satisfaction, Berkness Company is the ideal partner for any manufacturing company looking to improve their production process. FAQs. 1. What is a bar feeder in manufacturing? A bar feeder is a device used in manufacturing to automate the process of feeding raw materials, such as metal bars, into a machine for further processing. It is commonly used in industries such as automotive, aerospace, and medical device manufacturing. 2. What are the benefits of using a bar feeder in manufacturing? Using a bar feeder can increase productivity and efficiency in manufacturing by reducing the need for manual labor and minimizing downtime between production runs. It can also improve accuracy and consistency in the manufacturing process, resulting in higher quality finished products. 3. What types of bar feeders are available for manufacturing? There are several types of bar feeders available for manufacturing, including hydrodynamic, pneumatic, and servo-driven feeders. The type of bar feeder used will depend on the specific needs of the manufacturing process, such as the size and shape of the raw materials being used and the desired level of automation. For more information, contact Berkness Company today.